the chicken breast fillet, what that is. There's one here. It's like a chicken finger, right? So there's your chicken breast and there's your chicken breast fillet. So where this comes from in the chicken, you see this crevice here in the chicken breast? That's where this was. If you lay this back on there, that would be your complete chicken breast, okay? And then they take off the fillet because the fillet is the most prized part of the chicken, is the most tender. And this is what you normally buy at the store. You might be looking at the chicken fillets and you see this. See that tendon going through there? Sometimes people have questions about that. They should be cutting that out. You know, I'm kind of concerned about that. I don't want to eat that thing, that tendon. Let me see if I have a chicken breast fillet that has a big one. Oh yeah, here's a big one. See, when you look at this one, look at this. See that white tendon going through there? Some people don't want to eat it. The very first thing I tell people, you worry about things too much. You know, you're cutting up bite-sized pieces. I never worry about taking that out. However, I'm not here to judge you. Here's what a lot of people do, or what I've seen some people do. Let's put it that way. Okay, I don't know about a lot. I've never really done a survey on or whatever. But to get that tendon out, they see it there, right? And then they take their knife and they're trying to, like, you know, cut it on both sides and trying to get it out. And in the meantime, by getting that out is destroying the breast fillet. I mean, look at this, right? There, I pulled it out. And look at the thing is destroyed. Don't do that. I will show you a better way. Here's what I want you to do if that bothers you. Flip it over so the tendon side is facing the cutting board like this. Get that tendon. So you see the tendon sticking out there? You guys see that little white bit? And get your thumbnail holding it down. Then with your knife, not too much force, especially if your knife is sharp, all you're going to do is just back and forth with your knife like this. See this? Very gently, moving the meat out of the way. And look what happens. That whole tendon comes out with very little meat attached to it. And most importantly, look at that. The breast fillet is still intact. So you still have your chicken finger for the kids or whatever.